Hey everyone! Struggling with a massive contact group in Outlook? Let's make it easier to manage by splitting it up. Go to your People section. Double-click on the large contact group you want to split. In the Contact Group dialog, click Forward Group drop-down icon and select an internet format. Then the contact group will be attached as a TXT file in a new created message window. Double-click on the attach and click Open to open it. You can see all contacts are listed in the notepad. Select the contacts you want to separate and press Ctrl and C to copy them. Go back to People section, click New Contact Group. Then in the new popping window, click Add Members drop-down icon and choose from Address Book. Enter the members text box, press Ctrl and V to paste the contacts. And click OK. Give a name for the new contact group and click Save and Close. If you have Kutools for Outlook installed, you can make this job more easier by its split to multiple contact groups feature. Good news is shared. Kutools for Outlook has released a free version in which 70+ features are free forever. Download now and let's start. Go to your People section. Click on the group you want to separate. Then go to Kutools Plus tab, click Contact Group drop-down icon and select Split to multiple contact groups. In the popping window, tick the contacts you want to separate. Then click OK. A dialog pops up for you to name the new group. Then click OK. Now, the job is finished. Is it easier? Follow for daily office tips.